In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in CapCut. If you've ever made an edit, cut a clip too short, or moved something by accident, you know how important the undo function is. In CapCut, undoing your last action is really simple, and in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, step by step, using both keyboard shortcuts and the on-screen button. First, make sure you have your video open in the CapCut editor. This means you've already created or opened a project, and you can see your clips laid out on the timeline, along with the preview window and all your editing tools. Once you're in that main editing workspace, you're ready to use the undo feature. The fastest way to undo in CapCut is by using a keyboard shortcut. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl and Z together. If you're on a Mac, press Command and Z together. Every time you press this shortcut, CapCut will step back one action in your editing history. So if you just deleted a clip by mistake, press the shortcut once to bring it back. If you trimmed several clips in a row and want to go back a few steps, just keep pressing the shortcut repeatedly until you reach the point you're happy with. This is especially useful when you're editing quickly or experimenting with different cuts, effects, or transitions. Instead of hunting around for the buttons, your fingers can stay on the keyboard and you can instantly correct anything you don't like. Just remember, each press equals one step backward, so use it thoughtfully and keep an eye on your timeline as it updates. If you prefer using your mouse, or you're not comfortable with keyboard shortcuts yet, CapCut also gives you a clear undo button. Look toward the top center area of the editor interface. There you'll see an undo arrow icon that curves backward, usually represented as a small arrow pointing to the left. This is your undo button. Whenever you want to reverse your most recent action, simply click that undo arrow. Just like the shortcut, each click will take you one step back in your editing history. Click it once to undo your last move, or click it multiple times to go back several steps. This method is great if you're visually checking each change as you go, or if your other hand is on the mouse already. And that's it. With your video open, you can use Ctrl+Z on Windows, Command+Z on Mac, or the undo arrow at the top of the editor to quickly reverse your actions and keep your edit under control.